So here's the small rock pile. And of course the dog he's looking for mice around there, sniffing them out. But we just got a decent snowfall, so things are looking pretty cool. Yeah, nothing that the RC car could do, but I did see a guy take a boat, a really kick-butt boat, and it honed across the snow. It did pretty good. But anyhow, yeah, right now, things are looking gorgeous. Yeah, okay. Now this is proof after the snowstorm here. All of a sudden we have a ray of sunshine. How noble. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The snowstorm has just went away. And here we have the sunshine just peeking through. And this is kind of just before dark. So perfect. It can't wreck my snow. And it's supposed to get really cold. So the snow will be awesome. Yes. Yeah, so just enjoying myself here out at the camp. Since that won't start, the snowblower, waiting on parts. Yeah. But anyhow, so much fun, so little time. All right. But it slowed up a little bit, the snow. I only got that much more to do. Woohoo! I think I'm gonna have a plow guy come in. My trusty assistant, who does an awesome job of getting in the way. But he's a good friend. He didn't like this cold, his paws. He went bleh. Yeah. He wanted to lay on his coat instead of walk. But we had to get him camp and warm him up. So I'm going to try to get him to try shoes. Yeah, and we had it the other day and I think it was working. You know, when it was cold. Right now it's like, 28 degrees or something. So it's kind of ridiculous to us at the moment. How noble. Yeah, you a good boy? Yeah, all right. All right. Uh-oh. I have a little dog following me. This won't be good. Pretty warm. He shouldn't be freezing by now. Of course he could be. I have to take a better look here in a second. How you doing? You look a little chilly. Oh, he wants to go. Of course, Noble is ready to come unglued. Just under 4 years old. Doberman. Male. Full of vinegar. Noble, come. Okay. He looks okay. Oh, finally, some snow. Yeah. Noble, come.